dear children. Today I have to talk about in my Discovery Social Studies channel the sixth part. It is called as a rotation and revolution of the earth. There are two motions. One is a rotation, another one is a revolution. The rotation is causes the day and night, and the revolution causes the seasons. So first we have to go the rotation. The earth is rotating around the sun. Rotating means not only it is revolving around the sun, it by itself. See, for example, I show this ball. It is rotating by itself. That's a spinning. It is rotating by itself and revolving around us. You can just imagine, I am a sun. So the earth is moving in its orbit around the sun. So like this, it is tilting by itself and around the sun. Okay? It is called as a spinning. So when the earth is not in straight, it is little slanting in position. The earth axis is a little slanting. Not actually it is 90 degree we have to say. While it is revolving around the sun, it will go like this. So it is by itself, it is revolving around the sun. Each spinning, that is one spinning, is called as the day and night. And the sun, when it faces towards to me, this part of the earth is daytime. Another part of the earth far away from the sunlight, isn't it? This is another part. Here you can see only the darkness. Only it is facing towards me. This part, the half of the earth, it causes the day. The another part of the earth causes night. Okay? When it turns again like this, it will go. The daytime will go on the other side. Here night time. The night faces towards the sun. It is called as a day. So, why the day and night cause means the earth is rotating by itself and revolving around the sun. When one rotation causes around the sun, it will take 1 year. That is 365 and quarter days. So, if you can observe this figure, you can easily understood. The sun is not a constant, it is also in oscillation mode only. When the earth rounds around the sun, the eastern side and the northern side and the western side and the southern side. Okay, shall we go? Now let's see the seasons. See, the earth is facing towards the sun. That is a western portion of the earth. That is half of the earth, most probably facing towards the sun. And the other part of the earth is faces towards the east. When the western portion is very closer to the sun, here half of the circle, most probably the direct sunlight will form. So here we feel very hot. The slanting part of the sun rays fall here. Here the winter season or moderate climate, half season we can say. That will be formed on the eastern portion of the earth. When it is tilting like this, moving around the orbit, when you go towards the north, the poles are near to the sun. When the southern pole got summer, when the north pole got the winter. The poles when we meet to the sun, here little hot. When it is the northern portion, that is very, very cold. That is totally it will be freeze. Some part of the eastern side have the slanting rays of the sun. Here we will have the rainy season or some other autumn season like this will be have formed. On the other part of the western portion also, the sun rays will fall little slanting. So here also we feel little warm or little rainy or anything. There's a not so hot like this. When the sun rays, then the earth is moved. On the western portion of the sun, the east is towards the sun. So here direct sun rays will fall. So the eastern part of the earth will get very hot. At the same time, the western portion have the slanting rays of the sun. So when now the North Pole have, some part of the North Pole have little sunlight they will get. And then southern portion also will have some part of the sunlight they will get. But the western portion of the earth have the winter. The eastern portion have the hot summer. At the same time, the western portion, which all the countries are located here, will have the winter season or rainy season or autumn season, something will be there. But if it face towards the, the earth face towards the sun, have the hot climate. Some part of the earth will have the experience of the hot climate. Like that, the sun, again, the earth rotates. When it comes, some part of the earth will have the slanting rays, some part will have the direct sunlight. So when the earth axis is moving like this, so little part of the place is getting rainy season, or little part getting summer season, little part is getting the winter season, and other part will have some other seasons. Like this, the earth around the sun moving. When it is moving, the movement is called as a rotation. When the earth moves one rotation, that is like this, the earth is moving one rotation causes 24 hours, that is day and night. The rotation causes day and night. The revolution, now I said no, the 12 months will be calculated. So this is a probable thing will be happen in the earth. But sun is not a constant. All will think the sun is in one position only. No, the sun also moving. It is far away from the earth. Earth is a third planet of the sun. So the earth is located in the orbit. If it will come closer, the earth, nothing will be grow. So the earth is little far away from the sun. So it is a suitable planet for living organism as well as the human beings. Here in the earth, because of the sunlight, we are having the plants, animals, human beings, etc. Okay, children? Let's see the another things. There's a rotation and the revolution. We are finished today. Let's see the extra things will be tomorrow.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
What?
You are saying that Earth is moving
Yes.
and it is
Spinning,
not.
spinning.
Yeah, it is spinning. It is not standing in a one place. Then now it is night in Tamil
Yes,
Nadu
yes.
in India. It is, for example, ma'am, it is day in America.
Yes.
It is moving, right? While moving, it will change.
Yes, definitely.
Okay.
Because the earth is not straightly going. Follow. The ball if you are going,
This is
how it is
rotating.
spinning?
This rotating will take 24 hours.
24 hours.
Okay.
So, this is the earth. Okay, this is the earth. The earth is revolving. Now, this is east, this is west, this is north, this is south, you know that. When in the east, the sun is facing. So, this is a day, isn't it? The sun is facing all the countries which is lying towards the eastern direction. Yesterday, that's why I told you, if you could have seen the world map, you can easily understand this one. So the world is divided because of the earth axis. So into two, east and west. But when it is considered as a single ball, so we are telling this is a east, this is a west, isn't it? This is north, this is south. When it is joining together, the east and west will be same. Just for understanding us only, we are dividing the earth into east and west. This is a flow chart, this is a chart, you know. If we join together, for example, this is just an example I am telling. This is a paper, you know. This is east, this is west, this is north, south. Just for example I am telling. When you are joined, the world is like a globe, isn't a ball, spherical form, is it? The east and west, this is for understanding map only drawn to understand. Actually, the earth is a round, isn't it? Like a ball, it's a spherical form. When it is joined together, the east and the west, both are meeting, it together only now. Both the ends are meeting. Follow. The world end point is near New Zealand in the east. The world end point is near Alaska in the west. Exact in North America, South America, we are having in the map, no, world map. You can see the part, little bit of the part will come here. This is west. New Zealand will come, end point of the Australia. So, both are meeting together. East and west, for understanding direction only we are telling. Actually, it is a spherical form, means both will meet on Earth. But North Pole and South Pole won't meet. Do you follow what I am telling? Follow. That's why we are having the day and night. The day will form facing towards the sun. That is a day. On the other side, it is called as a night. When the earth tilting, that is a spinning by itself, it comes this side, isn't it? So that time it is called as a west. This is called as a east. Now here night, here day. Follow? It will come other side. So this is a day, isn't it? This is a night. When it is tilting, that is a round. It is spinning. If you spin, this night will come other side. This day will come this side. Now the earth is come like this. This is day. This is night. So the sunlight will fall on the west. Eastern side will be night. Follow. Now you are asking the questions. How today we are having the night now. What about the other side? That's the eastern side. We are sitting here in the eastern portion. So here we got the night. Which all the countries are located in the eastern side. All the countries will experience only in the night time. The time will be differ. But towards the east, most probably all the countries face the night, and the western portion, which other countries are lying, that is facing the day. Follow. Wherever the sunlight falls, their day, on the other side will facing sunlight which are not falling, that is called as a darkness, that is called as a night. Okay children, let's see the next video tomorrow. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share, put likes, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much. We'll meet you tomorrow.